In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my avatars talk and gesture naturally, completely for free without paying a dime, just like the one you are seeing right now. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so guys, welcome to my phone. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to get an image, that is to generate an image that we are going to be using for the animation. And after that, we move to the next step. So I just added this particular character. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the house face. So I'll say generate a 3D female cartoon character sitting in a modern studio background, wearing a red sweater with "Discover with J" written on it. Use the image above to do that. You go below and enter your image ratio 16:9. That is the YouTube ratio. Now remember, if you want to use your own image, just add your own realistic image to generate the cartoon. But I don't want to show my image in this video, so I'll just hit on generate. Let's see what we have. Alright, so now our image is ready. You can see the image here. This is our reference image and this is our own image. So if I used a realistic image, what ChatGPT will just do is that it will turn that image to a cartoon character. So this is my reference image and this is the image we got because I told it to wear a red sweater. So I'm just going to click on it to save it. We are going to animate this image. Then once we animate this image, we now lip sync. So let's go. Now for the animation, we are going to be using this AI. It's called Digen. You can either download their app on Play Store. This is their app, or you can go to their website and sign up for an account. I'm just going to click on it and open the app. And one sweet thing I like about this particular app is that they give you 140 credits every day, and each day you log in, they give you another 140 credits. You can see it up here, and it accumulates. The one that you are not able to exhaust maybe yesterday, if you come back tomorrow, it will still add up to the new bonus that they are going to give you. So that's one thing I like about this particular AI. So now we are going to be using it to animate this particular image that we generated. So just click here to animate, click on the create button. So once you click on the create button, this is where you add your image. Now this particular AI, you can also use it to lip sync. If you look here, you can see talk, but you're not going to be using the lip sync option. Reason is that you can only generate 5 seconds video on their free plan, which is that it's going to take you a lot of time for you to be able to generate maybe like a minute video or 2 minutes video. So that's why I'm going to show you the best method. I'm going to share with you another method to do that. So just click here to add image. Click here to add your image. So I've added the image and it's uploading. Alright, I've added my image. Now I'm going to enter my prompt. Just click here to enter your prompt. And again, if you still want to use their lip sync feature, you can also use it. Just click on talk. You can see here you can enter your text, or you can upload an audio. Let me use my display to show you guys. You can enter your text here, select a voice, or you can upload your audio or record a voice. So but you're not going to use their lip sync feature. Like I said, you can only generate 5 seconds, which is very short. So now I'm just going to click here to enter my prompt for the animation. I have a prompt already. Let me paste it. So you can see, make this character talk with smooth natural lip sync and add subtitle, realistic gestures, hand movements, head nods, eye blink, slight body motion to match the speech in a natural way. So this is my prompt. So I'm just going to tick and we hit on generate video. So I'm going to generate my video. You can see waiting in Gwen. Okay, so let's just wait. It's going to take maybe like a few minutes. Alright, so guys, our video is ready. This is the video generated. Let me show you guys. This is the video. So let me play it. So you can see that it has been animated using Digen. Now if you want, you can also animate it like maybe like 2 times or 3 times to get different motions, but I'm just going to be using this one. Now just click here to download it. Click here. Yes, yeah, it has been downloaded to my phone. Now let's head on to CapCut. Well, first of all, let me play the video on my phone first. Let me show you guys on my phone. Alright, so this is the downloaded version on my phone. You can see it here, and if you look closely, you can see that it has watermark by the side. So we're just going to remove this watermark before we head on to lip sync. So I use this particular watermark removal, this one. We're going to be using this one. It's an app, Watermark, okay, video watermark remover. Just go to Play Store and download it. You can also use some of the ones online. Just go to your browser and type for watermark remover. Alright, so I've selected the video that I want to remove the watermark. I'll just select the part that I want to remove watermark from. Let me expand this a little bit. Alright. So this is the area, so I'm just going to click on export and it's going to remove the watermark for us. Removing watermark, please wait. Alright, so guys, we have removed the watermark. This is my video. You can see it here. This is my video and I've removed the watermark. Now let's head on to CapCut. Alright, so here we are on CapCut and you can see I've selected that particular video that we generated, the 5 seconds video. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this video maybe like up to 3 or 4 times. Duplicate it to 15 seconds. This method I'm showing you now works best if you want to create longer lip sync videos. If you want to create longer lip sync videos, I think this one is enough already. So let's say you're creating like a minute, just duplicate it to that particular time that you want. Alright, so I've duplicated it to 15 seconds. Let's play the video. So you can see how everything is moving. Now the next thing is to lip sync it. And for the lip sync, we are going to be using Dreamface. Now, if you have used Dreamface before, you notice that Dreamface, their watermark is usually at the center, which is that once you remove the watermark, it will be noticeable. Unless you're a very skilled editor, then you can edit that part out. So here is the trick. I'll just change the ratio of this video. Go to ratio on CapCut. This method, you can use any video editor of your choice. Go to ratio and I'll change this to 1:1 ratio. Now we have a space. We have a gap below here. We have a gap below here. This is where the watermark will show once we lip sync this. So I'm just going to export this video now. Alright, so I've exported the video. Now let's head on to Dreamface. You can see I'm not using the pro subscription. So like I said, the method I'll be showing you is all free. It's all free. So now on Dreamface, you also have the option of image to video. But that option is only going to be the mouth that will be moving. So if you look at it, the video will not be realistic. It will show that it's an AI. So we're not going to be using the option of image to video. We're going to be using this option, talking and singing. So just click on that.
I am a Dreamface digital avatar. Bye.
So now once you click on that, click on this part to add the video we exported from CapCut. So I'll just select that video. So I've added the video we got from CapCut. Now I have a voiceover already. You can use 11 Labs, Pishma, Google AI Studio to generate your voiceover. So I'm just going to import my voiceover. So click here to import your voiceover. I'll just click here and import voiceover. So I've imported the voiceover. Now, the good part of DreamFace is that you can animate video up to 30 seconds on the free plan, which means that you can do it 2 times and you get a minute, 4 times you get 2 minutes. This is why I said that this method is for longer videos, for generating longer videos. Let me play the voiceover.
I'm Jane Francis. If you want to stay ahead in tech, master your money, and unlock new digital skills, you're in the right place. I break down big ideas into simple, fun.
So this is the voiceover. I'll just click on confirm and we click on animate. Alright, so it's going to animate the video for us. So let's just wait. Alright, so our video is ready. Under seconds, our video was generated on DreamFace. So this is the video. You can see it here. This is the video, and this is their watermark. So I'm just going to show you guys how to remove this one. Very easy and simple. So let's play the video and see.
I'm Jane Francis. If you want to stay ahead in tech, master your money, and unlock new digital skills, you're in the right place. I break down big ideas into simple, fun lessons that anyone can follow. Hit subscribe now. Let's grow smarter and wealthier together.
So this is the animated one. So now I'm just click here to download this. Just click here to download. Now let's go to CapCut. Let me show you guys how to remove this watermark so that it will not be visible on your videos using CapCut. So new project, select this one. So this is the video we got from DreamFace. This is the video. Let me delete this ending part. This is the video. And also, if you notice, if you're using the free plan on DreamFace, the video quality will be kind of low, like a little bit low. So this is the edit that you do. Go to crop, sorry. Just crop, edit, then go to crop. And we crop out these parts. All right. You can see we have just removed the watermark without any stress. Now, to increase the video quality, just go to adjust. This is where you find adjust. Go to adjust. So go to brightness. You increase this a little bit, just a little bit. You go to contrast. Increase this a little bit. Then go to sharpness, and you increase this. All right. I think that's all. You can see how it is now. Like, we just upgraded the video. It now looks.
Hey, I'm Jane Francis. If you want to stay ahead in tech, master your money, and unlock new digital skills, you're in the right place. I break down big ideas into simple, fun lessons that anyone can follow. Hit subscribe now. Let's grow smarter and wealthier together.
So you can see how it is now. We just increased the quality and we removed the watermark easily. All right, so just export.